So this question's about adding data to a binary tree. So when you get the questions, they'll look something like this, perhaps where you've got some um, names or something similar to add to the tree. The first item in the list, which is John, will become the root of the tree. So that's the root of the tree. So then the next thing we want to add is Hannah. So to add that data, what we're going to do is ask whether Hannah is less than or more than John in the alphabet. So it's before, so we go this way on the left of John, and we add Hannah just there. So then we come to Rachel. Rachel is on the right of John because it's after that, so we're going to add Rachel here. So then we get to Bradley. Well, Bradley's before John, so we come down to Hannah. Bradley's before Hannah, so we add Bradley on this side. Then we've got Joe. Well, Joe is before John, so John's got more letters. Joe is before John, so Joe is after Hannah, so Joe is going to fit in just there. And then Tina, well, Tina's after John and after Rachel, so Tina's going to go on this side. And finally we've got Paul to add. Well, Paul is after John but before Rachel, so Paul is going to be added in here. So we've created our tree. So then when you've got a tree, sometimes you'll be asked to traverse that tree, and there are three ways of traversing the tree. So there's pre-order, there's in order, and there's post order to do. So if we go for pre-order, that is the first time we come across something, or someone as it is in this list. So we start here and we come down there, and the first thing we come across is John. So we write down John. The next thing we come across, we always go left, is Hannah. And the next thing is Bradley. And using our magical finger, we come across Joe. And Rachel. And Paul. And Tina. So we've traversed the tree now because that's the last one. We've already come across these two. So we've traversed the tree in pre-order. Lost a little bit of Hannah there. Okay, so if we go for in order, then again we're going to start here. And in order is when we go underneath the item. So in this case, we've gone underneath Bradley there. So Bradley's the first one. Hannah is next. Then Joe. John. Paul. Rachel. And Tina. And so that's in order, and hopefully you should see that it is actually in alphabetical order, because that's the in order traversal. And finally, the last type of traversal on that tree would be post order, and that's the last time that you come across something. So we go around with our magic finger, and we come to the last time we visit Bradley. So Bradley's going to go first on that one. So Joe is the last time we visit Joe. This is the last time we visit Hannah. The last time we visit Paul. The last time we visit Tina. The last time we visit Rachel. And finally, the last time we visit John. And that is in post order. That's post order traversal. So they're the three types of traversal that you could be asked to do. Pre-order, it's the first time you come across something. In order, it's when you go underneath that item. And post order, the last time you visit the item. So that's adding data to a binary tree and traversing.